in my black ass, engine in the glass house. Started in a crack house, Obama went the back route. Killed Bin Laden, number 4 up in the black house. Still got the max out, pull a mask down like a mascot. Still trick with bitches, I would money her with ass shots. Good, had room for one more, I took the last spot. Re-up gang Peter, nigga, Yada hit the jackpot. Whole nother level, then you add fame, that's a whole nother devil. Legit drug dealer, that's a whole nother bezel. The carbon auto mall, that's a whole nother metal. But still keep it ghetto. Behind the scenes, pull strings like Geppetto. The gun blow steam, whistle like a tea kettle. Running like the rebels, you an LV sports shoe on a pedal. I let you niggas settle, yeah.
Trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, so much trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, so much trouble on my mind.
Pharrell said get him, so I got him. Tripped and burst the paling, then I accidentally shot him. Then it ricocheted and killed the game. I'm a problem, cause I wanna fuck the world, but not a fan of using condoms. Hard in my French, I'm going hard as my dick. When I envision my tip on the crust of bitch lips. Mr. Lip Shits has been tripping since I met your Reptar, Triceratops, dinosaur dick. I feel it in my gut. To kill these motherfuckers is a must, like the arm of my pits. You niggas coming shorter than a Bushwick Billy costume on sale during Christmas in Philly. Well, not really. It's getting kinda chilly. Let's hit a couple bars and get some bitches wet willies. Soach getting jiggy with it, and Bel Air's riches with a bag of pills, couple berries, and a biscuit.
Trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, so much trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind, so much trouble on my mind. On my mind.
I'm a fucking walking paradox and a really shitty rapper in my favorite pair of socks. Iron pair of Dockers, 2 Glocks, cock screaming. With the speakers blasting a pair of pots. Yonkers 10 milli, you're silly, thinking that this preem wasn't free willy. The feeling is neutral, the gang is youthful, and fucking tighter than Chad Hugo's pupils. Wolfgang and the
with the re-ups, a hell of a buzz. Rick James said cocaine's a hell of a drug. Who else could put the hipsters with felons and thugs and paint a perfect picture of what selling it does? This is for the critics who doubted the chemistry. 2 different worlds, same symmetry. In this black art, see the wizardry. When you at the top of your game, you make enemies. You'll never finish me.
Trouble on my mind.